Central Saturday night. APD says multiple people called in reporting a man walking around with a gun and pointing it at people and cars. Police say the suspect also called 911. APD Chief Harold Medina says the situation escalated and at least one officer opened fire.
Obviously, the officers felt there was some kind of threat, and we're combining that with the information that was given to us by the public that several individuals are reporting that he was brandishing a firearm.
Operator advising of the male, advising the gun is on the ground. Now, get him.
Get down on the ground! Albuquerque police, do it now! God damn it! Get on the ground now! Do it now! .503 shots fired. Watch out. Come on.